What's up, y'all? It's your boy JayJay the Barber, back with another haircut tutorial right now. This is gonna be a taper fade. We're gonna take a little off the top. Right here, I just started with the 5 guard just to be safe. Went down to the 4 guard close. And this is like cutting waves. You want to go with the grain and comb before you cut. Be really careful doing this. Take your time, because if you go the wrong way, it's real easy to patch them. So now we're lining them up, and right here you're gonna have to do a whole lot of combing, that hairline down, because it's gonna move and all that. You could spray spritz and help it stay a little more, but I just comb, and then line it up. The hairline is probably the most important part of the cut, because hairline creates facial symmetry, which makes you look good as how symmetrical your face is. So we're gonna start just by debulking the top and blend it in, so we can just blend the taper up in there smooth. That's the 4 guard, and the 5 guard right here. And usually the 5 guard pretty much blends out almost everything for me. Okay, so right here in the back is going to be basically the same thing. You're going to see me use the 1.5 guard just to debulk a little bit, but you know, this is the 4 guard. I'm going to take the 5, and you know, it's basically the same thing as the side tapers. You just want to take off a little bit of bulk to make it easier when you come down to a no guard.
I can feel it.